Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $50 in PayPal cash fast. And so I'm going to show you a way to make PayPal money very quickly in 2020 here. And so let's get started right now. Alright guys, in today's money method, it's going to be available for lots of different countries. In today's method, it's going to be easy because beginners are going to be okay to use this because then you don't need any experience to do this at all and you won't need any money for this to try, okay? So the best thing for you to do is see if you can go on there, and if you can, see if you can make it work. Now, I cannot for the life of me find the age limits for the ones that I'm going to be showing you today, so I'm sorry. Maybe you could do more research, but I was looking for hours already, so I've made my time in this video. So that's the limit that I have put on myself. For some reason they don't list it on their website and nobody else is talking about it, so you most likely need to contact them, which I really don't have time to do. So in this video you're going to learn several methods for you to try this type of work, and I hope one of these will work for you, okay? So if this doesn't work for you, just try the second link in my video description. It's going to be something that I do online, and this kind of method is a business that you can build. So you can most likely you can earn a lot more than the methods I'm going to show you today, and you're going to be building your own online business using that kind of method. So when you're building your own business, just remember that it takes time to build a business and that you need to learn some online skills, and that program that I'm going to show you will teach you online skills to earn big bucks, guys, okay? So in today's method, let's get on with it. You're going to start with test.io. This is a testing site. On this front page, this is test.io, okay? So to get to this page is test.io. And this is the front page that you'll land on when you first come to this website, but you're not going to use that front page because this is for their clients. So this is for brands and companies that want to have their websites and apps tested by people like you and me. And if you want to become a tester, you could click up here, become a tester, and you'll get to this page. Become a tester, you can sign up by clicking this button right here. So join our testing community, become a tester, test the latest apps, websites, and games, and get paid for every issue that you find. So here you're gonna look for bugs or things that aren't working on these platforms. So when you click here, you will get the sign up form for it, okay? So let's see how this works. Earn good money, earn up to $50 for every issue you find, but there could be cases where you can't find any bugs, which is no problem because you can still get paid for rating the app that you just went through. And then you can do this from home, easily work from home or from your favorite place, work the hours that make sense for you, test the latest apps, be the first to see the latest apps from top companies and cool startups. So you're going to be able to go in from registration to testing in just 5 minutes. So in about 5 minutes, you're going to learn if you're going to be able to use this or not. So you could try to register from the button that I showed you up top, which is the same URL that's going to take you to that page. And then once you have signed up, then you should be able to start your first test. So as soon as you register, you receive an invitation for your first test. Then you're going to receive your first payout. You get paid from your first test run when you find bugs. Get more invitations. Receive more invitations based on devices you have, your interests, and your skills. Earn while you learn. So you guys, make sure in your profile when you're signing up, make sure you are giving them all the information about you so that you could receive the most tests, okay? Become a testing king. Climb the ladder to test hottest apps or participate in exclusive test runs with more opportunities. So the more tests that you do, the more that you can become more qualified for even more tests. So here are some other testers that you can read about. Here's some FAQs. How much can I earn? Most tests pay by the bug. You can earn money for more critical bugs, up to $50 for the most important bugs, and you can also earn a guaranteed money by reviewing apps or completing scripted test cases. When and how do I get paid? We pay once per month using PayPal, Pioneer, Skrill, and bank transfer. So with 4 different payment options, you really can do this from multiple countries, whichever is convenient for you to do for a payout. What devices do I need to test? You would need access to at least a desktop computer. Beyond that, the more devices you have, the more opportunities you will have to test. Most testers have 1 or more mobile phones and have smart home devices and wearables. You don't need the latest gadget. There are plenty of tests on older phones and many great bugs to be found. What happens if I can't accept an invitation? We want to work with your schedule, so there's no penalty for not accepting an invitation. It's helpful to let us know if you can't test so we can offer your place to someone else right away. Please test if you say you're going to test. It's good karma and better for your fellow testers. So when you say you're going to test, you really should follow through. And so that is one of the sites that you can try to do testing and make some money this way, make some fast PayPal cash this way, using this site to find bugs in the latest apps and websites and whatnot. But there are going to be more opportunities like this one. This one is at betatesting.com. So for this one, it works very similar, okay? You're going to be testing new apps and websites, and of course this front page is for the clients again. They're joined as a tester is actually up here on the top right hand corner. I've just circled it right there, okay? So you could click that to get to the next page where you need this information. So early adopters, join the beta tester community. You're going to be test exciting new products and get paid to give feedback for new apps, websites, and products. So all you need right now is to add your email address and sign up. But I'm sure you're going to need to fill out a profile and the devices that you have again, because they're going to need to know what devices you're going to be testing on. So how this one works, they have about 200,000 people already registered to be testing on their site. And what you will be doing is testing new apps, websites, and hardware, complete tasks, give feedback, and bug reports. You're going to earn $10 to $20 for most tests or more. So this one is not just finding bugs, as you can see that it says test new apps, websites, and hardware, complete the tasks that you're given. Basically, when you're doing this part here, you could probably need to do certain things for them because they want you to test out certain functions of their app. And if you do that, each one of these tests could earn you $10 to $20 per test already. So this one is not about finding bugs. This one, you're just going to be testing and you're going to get paid to do the test. This one could be a little bit easier to earn because you're just going to be going through the test and they're going to pay you per test. The other one that I showed you first was if you find any bugs, then you're going to get paid the bigger dollars, which is up to $50 per bug. But then you're still going to get paid if you don't find any bugs. But then you're probably going to get paid a lot less if you're just reviewing the app or the website that you are reviewing, right? For this one says there's a age, but the last one, that's the one I couldn't find the age no matter what I looked at over there for that one. So this one is going to be 18 years at least, and you need to be speaking English, and you need at least a PC or Mac or any other devices for specific testing. How much money can you make? Beta testing is a fun way to make a few dollars on the side and help impact product development and exciting new products, but it isn't meant to replace a job. The number of tests you receive depends on how many clients match your interests and demographics and your quality feedback history. You may receive anywhere from 0 to 5 opportunities each month. So this one flat out tells you you're not going to get too many opportunities. You could make a few bucks here and there every single month. And here you could also get paid by PayPal, and you get paid after just 7 days after the test, so which is very fast. And then the site I want to show you is Testing Time at testingtime.com. For this one, you're going to be also going to the tester page, which is up on the top right here, Become a Test User. And as I click there, you will get to this page. Become a paid test user, change your world, one short test at a time. Here you could test products and services and earn up to 50 euros per hour. So this is definitely could be used in Europe and US as well. I believe they do take US testers. And so this is worldwide in that sense, but probably not every single country. Impact the products of tomorrow with your opinion. Bring variety to your everyday life. Testing is fun and you decide when you do it. Become part of, wow, they have a lot of testers already. So I would sign up for this one to see what you can get as well. Why I show you more than one of these sites is because you don't get a lot of tests, so you should sign up for all of these sites if you can, if it's available to you, so that you can gain as much testing opportunities as possible. This is pretty much kind of like the same thing here. So they're saying all the opportunities first come, first serve. So you need to answer them quickly if you see an invitation, an email invitation for you. So you need to respond quickly. And then once you have responded and you have set up a date and time, then you're going to do the testing either online or in person. So if you're not around where they are, obviously you will be doing it online. So the study actually takes 30 to 90 minutes and you will be paid per hour, okay? So it depends on the topic or on the testing that you're doing. And so you can earn anywhere from up to 50 euros per hour. And if you convert this to US dollars, it's just over $50, I believe. So you could sign up at one of these 3 sites or sign up with all 3 sites, which I highly recommend. And as I was saying earlier, these 3 sites that you can go on, you can earn, but it's going to be very little because you're going to earn inconsistent money on these sites. And that's kind of like a lot of these different options that you see me show you online. It's like unless things are either an online job or an online business, you're going to be earning very little with testing and survey sites and apps. But I know a lot of people still like using those, so that's why I keep showing them. But really, if you want to earn big money and consistent money every single month where you can actually earn an online income to replace your job or earn enough so that you can actually go do the things that you want to do, you need to use a business model like the one that I use, which is linked in the second link in my video description. So go check out that second link and learn some online skills where you can earn any time of the day and work on your own schedule. Okay, so that is it for me today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come out with videos every single week, guys, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified. Okay, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye.